In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted messages on Messenger. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to restore your deleted chats on Facebook Messenger, what you need to do is to open the Facebook application. Click on your profiles icon at the top right corner of your screens and then click on this settings icon. Now scroll down and click on this option that says download your information. Tap on request a download. Make sure that your Facebook account is selected and click on next. Then tap on the second option, select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted messages on Messenger, therefore select this messages option and click on next. And then tap on submit request. After you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted chats on Facebook Messenger will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted messages on Facebook Messenger will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.